Dielectrics, polarization, and electric dipole moment. The amount of charge stored in a capacitor is the product of the voltage and the capacity. What limits the amount of charge that can be stored on a capacitor? The voltage can be increased, but electric breakdown will occur if the electric field inside the capacitor becomes too large. The capacity can be increased by expanding the electrode areas and by reducing the gap between the electrodes. In general, capacitors that can withstand high voltages have a relatively small capacity if only low voltages are needed. However, compact capacitors with rather large capacities can be manufactured. One method for increasing capacity is to insert between the conductors an insulating material that reduces the voltage because of its effect on the electric field. Such materials are called dielectrics, substances with no free charges. When the molecules of electric are placed in the electric field, their negatively charged electrons separate slightly from their positively charged cores. With this separation referred to as polarization, the molecules occur an electric dipole moment. A cluster of charges with an electric dipole moment is often called an electric dipole. In there an electric force between a charged object and uncharged matter, such as a piece of wood. Surprisingly, the answer is yes, and the force is attractive. The reason is that under the influence of the electric field of a charged object, the negatively charged electrons and the positively charged nuclei within the atoms and molecules are subjected to force in opposite directions. As a result, the negative and positive charges separate slightly. Such atoms or molecules are said to be polarized and to have an electric dipole moment. The molecules in the wood acquire an electric dipole moment in the direction of the external electric field. The polarized molecules are attracted toward the charged object because the field increases in the direction of the charged object. The electric dipole moment P of two charges plus Q and Q separated by a distance is a vector of magnitude P with a direction from the negative to the positive charge. An electric dipole is an external electric field is subjected to a torque P sin 0, where 0 is the angle between P and E. The torque tends to align the dipole moment P in the direction of E. The potential energy of the dipole is given by U or in vector notation. In a non-uniform electric field, the potential energy of an electric dipole also varies with position, and the dipole can be subjected to a force. The force on the dipole is in the direction of increasing field when P is aligned with E, since the potential energy U decreases in the direction